I finished that much mountains. Now I am taking plains. Plains means many parts of our country have flat and level land. These are called plains. See here, this one is a flat land. Flat and level land. ಏಕವಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಭೂಮಿ. For that we call plains. The Great Plains of India lies to the south of Himalayas. Many rivers such as the Indus, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra flow through these plains. They make the land fertile and rich. Here plains is there. Here Himalayas mountains is there. Now already I explained what are the Himalayas mountains. In the southern part, here this one is the Himalayas and this one is the southern parts. Now this one is the plains. Here we start southern parts of Himalayas and end with Kanyakumari. And it is a fertile because it flows so many rivers. Indus, Brahmaputra and Ganga rivers are flowing from here. From Himalayas only the flowing na. For that reason the water will come here na. For that reason land will be fertile here. Okay, so much fertile. That is why this region is densely populated. Yeah, for that reason its land is a very fertile. So we grow many crops here. For that reason here is this land is a very populated. There are narrow strips of plains along the eastern and the western coast of India. These plains meet at Kanyakumari. These plains are watered by rivers like Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Narmada. See, plains are here. This one is the southern part of India and this one is the northern part of India, you think. And the Himalayas is there. These plains are start from Himalaya and end to Kanyakumari, south of India. So this part is rivers are flowing. So here is the land is very fertile and other rivers are flowing. Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Narmada also flowing from this part. Okay. Now we'll read plateaus. The southern part of India looks like a cone in shape. The land here has a flat and uneven surface and is higher than the plains. See, this one is a plateau. It looks like a cone. Cone means what? Like this. This one is a cone. It's look like a cone. And here is a flat but not much of a plains. Compared to plains, it's not having that much of a land. Such land is called plateaus. The southern plateaus cover the largest part of our country. The land is generally hard and rocky. This area is less fertile than the plains. Here, this type of land is generally we found here southern part of India. But it's not that much of fertile because it's a rocky place. Here no water is there. For that reason the land is not fertile. Only rock. Rock means stone. Maralu is there. That's why it's not fertile. The southern plateaus is also called the Deccan Plateaus. The Deccan Plateaus region has many rivers like the Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Mahanadi. These rivers are rain-fed. This region is very rich in minerals. Some parts of the plateaus are covered with thick forest. Here, southern part of the land we called here Deccan Plateaus. Here we call Deccan Plateaus. Then here some rivers are flowing, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi. But the rivers are flowing from the rain water ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಆ rain water ಇಂದ ಈ ನದಿಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So but that is it's not a but it's a minerals. Minerals means what? ಭೂಮಿ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ, ಐರನ್, like this all the here will find minerals, especially iron. And forest also there, thickly forest ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. Then the southern part of India surrounded by large water bodies on three sides. It is called the peninsula. The Indian peninsula has to Bay of Bengal to its east, the Arabian Sea to its west, and the Indian Ocean to its south. See here, if this one is the southern part, this one is the southern part of India. Here is the three sides of water. Already I told. Here Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal ocean is there, and here Arabian Sea. Here Arabian Sea is there, and south of India, Indian Ocean. Here Indian Ocean is there. So three sides of water. Then come to desert. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. Land, see here, this one is a desert. Here in the desert, very covered sand. Sand means maralu. Only we will find here sand, not water. Okay, plant also we will not find here. The northwestern part of India is the Great Indian Desert or the Thara Desert. Here north side we will find the desert here called Thara Desert. It covers most part of Rajasthan. This area is hot and dry with little rainfall. Here only Rajasthan will cover desert because here no rainfall, little rainfall, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. For that reason here land is desert. This area is hot and dry with little, hence vegetation is not seen here. Only plants like cactus survive in this climate. The camel is usually in the desert for transport and known as the ship of the desert. Here little bit rain in the desert, only little bit rain is there. Here no vegetation. Vegetation means ಗಿಡಗಳು ಸಾಕಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Why we are not grow plants? What is the reason? Because here is a little bit rain. For that reason we call. But some plants are growing here. What are the cactus? Yes, cactus is there na. Then this one is a survive. This plant survive. Okay. Here climate also hot, very hot. And here one animals is there, camel. We use camel for transport. Camel ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೋಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಲಗೇಜ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು one place to another place transfer ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It's a ship of a desert. Camel is a ship of a desert. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. This one is an island. Here middle is land surrounded by water. There are two group of island in our country. There are two group of island in our, only two group of in our country. Which are those? The Andaman and Nicobar Island lie in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. I told you na, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Only two types of island is there in our country. Here Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island is there. Remember this name, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Here Lakshadweep Island. Okay children, in the Arabian Sea Lakshadweep Island is there, and the Bay of Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar Island is there. The diverse land features have given rise to different climate in different parts. The mountains have cold climate almost the whole year. In the northern plains, the summer are very hot, while winter are cold. In the coastal area, it is neither very cold or nor very hot. Here is in the island, almost here cold. Why cold? It's surrounded by water na. For that reason, was cold. But it's not that much of cold and not that much of hot. Normal weather is there. Okay children, that much I finished. Okay, next class I